Willkommen zur Exzellenzsprachschule. Ich bin Sunil Virani und euer Deutschunterrichter. Hello, welcome to Excellent Language Institute. I am Sunil Virani and your German tutor. In this video, we are going to start with alphabets. As we know, in German language, we have 30 alphabets. See, from these 30 alphabets, 26 alphabets are same like English alphabets. So let's start with 26 alphabet. First of all, A to Z. Okay. Let's pronounce A to Z in German language all together. Then we will discuss each alphabets one by one. Okay. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Epsilon, Z. Okay. Now let's go through each alphabet one by one. See, in English language we have alphabet A, right? In German it is becoming A. B we are saying B. See, in English alphabet B. See, in English alphabet B and German B. Okay. See, this is we are calling like this, like B. Here we are saying like this, B, right? So this is English B, this is B, but see, in identity we are having change in German language, but pronunciation of B in English language and German language will be completely same. Okay, so in English identity of the alphabet is B. In German, identity of the alphabet is B. Pronunciation in English and German will be same for the alphabet B or B. Okay. Now C will become C, D will become D. Now all the alphabets here with the red underline have different pronunciation. Keep that in mind. Okay. So we are only going to talk about alphabets with underline. Now E will become A. G, see, F is F. G will become G as identity. G. H will become H. Pronunciation will be same like. Okay, pronunciation is H. It will be same. Now I is becoming E. Now see, we have A, E and I in English. Okay, see, this English I means this English I is becoming E, right? This English I is becoming English E in German language as identity. This English E is becoming English A, and English A is becoming English A. So I is becoming E, E is A, and A is A. So keep that in mind. Now, most important change in German language is J. Okay, let's have one example. What is this written? Ja or Ya. See, J is yacht. Yacht. Okay, yacht means pronunciation of J is like this, Ya. Okay, pronunciation of this alphabet is Ya. Identity of this alphabet in German language is yacht. So because J has become yacht, pronunciation is Ya, that's why we will pronounce this as like this, Ya. Okay, Ya, and it means yes in German language. So Ya means yes. Then K. See, in English K is K, right? But in German language pronunciation of K will be something like this, K, KH. In Hindi we can say K. The pronunciation is K. It is not exactly same as K in English. See, L, M, N, O, P. These alphabets are almost same. See, concentrate on my language, almost same, because there are going to some words in which we can say as exception as we are learning language, in language there are going to be many exceptions. Okay, so right now for the moment you can say that in this alphabet pronunciation is almost same. Now let's talk about pronunciation of Q. See, English Q, in German it is Q. Q. Okay, so in Q we have, like in English we have year, right? Q, right? We have year in that, but in German language we have only Q. There is no year in German language Q. Okay, so in German language it is only Q, right? So pronunciation will be K, like K. Okay, now let's talk about R. See, R, it is R in German language, R. Okay, for example, if you want to say rot, say rot. Okay, so exact pronoun in English, if we want to pronounce this, then we are going to say rot, right? But in German it will be rot. It will be from the throat, so it means red. Now, so pronunciation of R is tricky in German language. Now let's talk about pronunciation of S. See, pronunciation of S in German language it can be sa or z, or z or sa. Okay, or we can say sh as well. So pronunciation of S, mostly we can say sh and z. So for this, for S we have separate video for rules for S. Pronunciation rule for S, we have separate video for S. Okay, now T will be T. There is no difference in English and German pronunciation for T. Now U. See, in U, in English there is Y, right? But in German language it is only U. Like there is no Y in U. See, we have just discussed that in Q as well there is no Y. In U as well there is no Y. If you want to pronounce Y in German language, then what do we have? For that we have J, right? J means yacht, right? Now let's talk about V. See, this J and V, these are the most important changes between English and German pronunciation, because J is J, like in English it is becoming Y, like totally different. Now V is also totally different because V is becoming F. See, identity is F, but pronunciation of this alphabet, whenever it will come in word, it will be F. For example, I think all of you know this car name Volkswagen, right? Volkswagen, this word Volkswagen has been made from two different words, folk and wagon. See, this folk, we have V here, right? In German language V will become F, so like VO will be Fo and folk. Volkswagen. Okay, so folk means people and wagon means vehicle. So Volkswagen will be people's vehicle. So V will become F. Identity will be F. Then V. See, W will become V as V will become F. So if we want to pronounce V, then what do we have? We are going to use V, like W, we are going to use W. So this is V. Pronunciation of X and Y will be almost same as English language. Just the identity will be different. Okay, in English we are calling it X as identity of the alphabet. Okay, we are calling it X. Here we are calling Y, but in German language we are going to call it X and epsilon. Then see, Z, we are not using Z in English language that much, but in German language Z will be very frequently used alphabet. So see, Z in English we are calling it, in German language we will call it set. Pronunciation will be S. Identity is set, pronunciation will be S, like half the, half S. Or we can say pronunciation will be like this, T and S. TS. Now see, here we have wrote all the alphabets which have different pronunciation than English language alphabet. For example, A, E, A is like English A in German is A, E is A, I is E, G for G, see, for G, for E and for S. We are going to have dedicated video for the pronunciation. K is different, like it is K. This is Ku, like there is no ear. R, we have to pronounce it from the throat. R. S, we have separate video for that. Pronunciation will be like sh or z. For U, there is no y, right? For if you want to pronounce y, then we have yot, J. V will become for, V. W we are going to use as v, and Z we are going to use it as s. So these are all the alphabets in which there are most important changes between pronunciation in English alphabets and German alphabets. So I think we are clear with the difference in pronunciation in English and German alphabets. So at the end, let's repeat all the alphabets once again. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, X, Epsilon, Z. So we have completed 26 alphabets. Now we are going to learn 4 new alphabets in German language in next video.